In the ancient days, when the world was still young, the Rongmei people lived in peace, surrounded by forests, hills, and the rhythm of nature. But one day there came beings who looked like humans, yet carried a presence that was not of this world. Slowly, the village no longer belonged to its people. Fear spread like wildfire, and the villagers had no choice but to run, leaving behind their homes, their land, their past. For years, they lived in the shadows of the forest, hiding, surviving, remembering what they had lost. But one night, the elders gathered. Silence turned into courage, and courage into a decision. There was one secret, passed down through generations, a simple root, feared even by the gods. They prepared in silence, not with swords, not with weapons, but with the power of the earth itself. With steady hearts, they walked toward their destiny, every step carrying the weight of their people. From above, they saw them, living freely, as if the land had always been theirs. They sang, they worked, calm, yet deeply unsettling, like a dream that did not belong. And then the moment came. No more fear, no more running. They threw the turmeric into the air, and with one voice they cried, "This land is ours!" For the first time, the gods felt fear. They ran, not as rulers, but as beings defeated, vanishing into the unknown. Their world began to fade. Everything they touched turned into nothing. And then, silence. A silence the village had not known for years. They returned, slowly, carefully, as if afraid it was only a dream. But it was real, and with their own hands, they rebuilt their home, stronger than before. And from that day on, they remembered, even the gods can fall, when humans stand together, with courage and the power of the earth.